Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can broadcast your voice across all of your Google Nest speakers that you have around the house. So this is pretty much going to turn your Google Nest speakers into a home intercom system. So what you'll need to do is go over to your Google Home app on your phone. So let's open up that, and then we'll go across to settings, and then under settings you want to scroll down to communication, and then under communication you just want to click on broadcast. And then you just want to turn on broadcast on personal devices. So I've already got mine turned on. And then if you want to choose what speakers you want to be able to broadcast to, you just go down the bottom here where it says home and you click on that, and then you can turn on all the speakers that you want it to be able to broadcast to. And then you just go back out. And then if we just jump across to favorites, we can add the broadcast option to our home screen. So we're just going to click on edit, and you can see here we have broadcast, and we're going to tick that box and we'll go save. And now you can see broadcast is right here. So if you want to broadcast from the Google Home app, all you need to do is click on broadcast, and then Google is going to ask you what your message is, and then you can just say your message and it's going to play it over on the speakers. So let's test that out.
What's the message?
Hey guys, I'll be home from work soon.
Okay, broadcasting now.
Hey guys, I'll be home from work soon. So you can also broadcast by just saying a voice command to any of your Google speakers around the house. So I could say, Google, broadcast a message.
What's the message?
I'll be home from work soon.
Broadcasting now.
So it's not going to play the message on this speaker in the office here. I can hear it actually playing on the lounge room speaker just out there. So you can broadcast your voice using the Google Home app broadcast button, or you can just do it on any of the speakers that you have within your house. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Make sure you go check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.